Another pre-frame that I use are auditory and visual cues. So I don't give kids instructions. I get if I tell you what to do, they don't want to do it. Okay? I would say 95% of kids are good workers. They're good followers. You tell them what to do, and 95% of the kids will sit up straight. If you tell them, do I want you running or do I want you in your chair? Which one do you think I mean? How do you know? Because I'm out of my head. So it's a visual pre-frame. Okay? So what would be a behavior that you want all the kids to do? Okay, so have calm bodies in the rug. So to do the pre-frame, are we standing up or are we sitting crisscross on the rug? So it's an auditory pre-frame. It's a visual pre-frame. Is there any doubt? Is my favorite color purple or is my favorite color blue? Okay, does everybody know that? Is there any doubt at all? So do I want you looking at the ceiling or do I want you looking at me? So you look at me.